Hi everyone, today I'll be making a fusion recipe. This is a non-Korean pasta recipe using kimchi. So let's start by chopping up the ingredients. The full recipe will be in the info box below as always. Chop half of the green onion into rings and the other half into diagonal slices. So if you don't know what kimchi is, basically it's a traditional Korean side dish of fermented cabbage. Kind of like sauerkraut, but spicier and full of flavor. You'll love it. Instead of pancetta for my kimchi carbonara, I'm going to use applewood smoked bacon. Add the sesame oil and let's saute the ingredients. Using the bacon fat, caramelize the garlic and then add the kimchi. Cooking the kimchi will give it a nice mellow roasted flavor, almost nutty. Then add your cream, salt, pepper, and then your peas. While I was making the sauce, I was also cooking my pasta. I'm using this one from my local grocery store, but you can use any pasta shape that you like. And while my pasta was cooking, I prepped my egg yolk. It's just a piece of aluminum foil with a little bit of sesame oil. Put it in the broiler for 15 seconds, and you just want to warm it up and cook the outside. Once your pasta is al dente, add it to the sauce and give it a couple tosses. If it seems to be a little bit dry, add a little bit of cream or chicken stock to it, or you can even use the pasta water if you want. Then we just need to finish the pasta with our scallions, our bacon, Parmesan cheese, Furikake, and our egg yolk. Thanks for watching my non-Korean pasta recipe using kimchi video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time!